So you know what it looks like, right? Oh yes. Okie dokie, grab that ball, push it to the sky. Simple survivors to the sky. Straighten up, vertical push, leave it now then. Less like sneeze, more like that. But let's see again a bit higher than sneeze. Yes, legs up, lift your toes. Lift your tailbone and grab your shoelaces. Option fingers to temples if you feel tension in your head. Right, from the top, ready? Oh yeah, really back. Explode! Can you get a bit higher with your sleeves? Yes! Raise your hips! Don't let me down! Right, legs up! Shoelaces! Squeeze! Tailbone up. How high can you go? Mid-abdominals. We are sculpting our six-pack. Give me a whoop! Something different. Shoulders down, bend your knees. Extend your legs. Now extend away. Bring your legs up and bend. What do we do? We go extend, lower back down. And rise. And bend. Extend. Make your tummy as flat as you can. One more. What was that? Something different. Bend your knees. Legs up and legs down. No sound effects in this one unless you want to bring some. Maybe some dirty sounds will change. We have three more. Last one, hold it up. Hold it. Now what do we say? Take them down. We've done it! Come on, bring your knees to one side like this and glue down your shoulders. That was awesome. Girls, absolutely fabulous. And I love those animal noises.